Hi everyone, and welcome to Storytime with Kate. It's getting about this time when we have holidays. Some celebrate Christmas, some celebrate other holidays, but it is amazing when the year changes and we are on a break. So this is a wonderful song to learn as an educator, to sing with children. It's called Starlight, Star Bright, not just during Christmas time or holidays, but also otherwise. So it's got only two chords, which is very, very easy to learn. So G major and D7. So these are two chords for this song. It's pretty easy to learn. So first we go with G. Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I might have the wish I, and then we change the chord, wish tonight. Let's play it together, shall we? Star bright, first star I see tonight. Wish I might have the wish I wish tonight. Thank you for watching. Play ukulele with children and sing as an early childhood teacher, family daycare educator, parent, or otherwise. Thank you for watching.